Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 56. If we start with this box, we're missing 4, 5, and 6. We've got 4 and 6 here, so this is our 5. I don't see any other help. So 4, 6, 4, 6. For this box, we're missing 2, 4, and 7. We've got 2 and 7 here, so this is our 4. 7 here, so 2, 7. For this column now, we're missing 4, 6, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 6. 6 here, so 4, 9. No help here, so 4, 6, 9. For this column, we're missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 8, 9. 3 here, and 8 here. Means this is our 9, that 8 makes this our 3 and 8. For this box now, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 4, 7. 7 here, so 4, 6. That means our 7 has to be here. And we can get rid of this 9. So now if we look at this column, the only place our 9 can be is here. For this row now, we're just missing a 4. That 4 makes this our 6, 4, 6, 4, 6. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 3. For this row, we're missing 2 and 8. I don't see any help. So 2, 8, 2, 8. For this row, we're missing 1 and 4, and I don't see any help. 1, 4, 1, 4. For this row, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. That 8 makes this our 2, 8. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, and 6. We've got 4 and 6 here, so this is our 1. 6 here, so 4, 6. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 2. For this box, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 5. For this column now, we're missing an 8. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, and 9. We've got 4s covering both of these boxes, so our 4 has to be here. That makes this our 1. And then no other help. So 1, 9, 1, 9. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, and 6. We've got 2 and 6 here, so this is our 4, 6 here, so 2, 6. For this row now, we're only missing a 5. For this row, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1. That makes this our 9, 1. For this box, we're missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got a 3 and 9 here, so this is our 8, 3 here, so 9 and 3. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.